Lynn from Humble has a building advice question.
She remembers your Florida building cred before you came here, right? Lynn writes, my son-in-law just got out of the Army after 8 years as an Apache helicopter pilot.
I love it.
Yeah, well, and thank you for your service.
Yes, sir.
He returned to Florida with thoughts of building a net zero minimalist insulation, formed concrete, and all that stuff for somewhere between Vero Beach and Fort Lauderdale. So, Tom, Lynn wonders if you could point them toward a source of the latest, greatest information on building these kind of homes.
The greatest and latest is very close to where he wants to live.
Where's that?
It's in Cocoa Beach. The Florida Solar Energy Center, FSEC, we call it FSEC. They have all the technologies. They have solar homes. They do all the research. They're where radiant barriers came from. Dr. Philip Ferry. I worked with Dr. Philip Ferry on a project when I was at Miami-Dade Community College. So it's a wonderful center, and it's the best in the world when it comes to solar energy and building energy-efficient, hot, humid climates, which is Florida, Zone 3 technology. Here's the problem. I spent my whole entire educational career learning about building unair-conditioned homes in hot, humid climates. I worked with some of the greats. Most of them are dead now. And you can't sell it to anybody.
That's not related, the no air conditioning and then being dead.
Yeah, well, all the zero things he wants to do. I know his mind's just flowing, thinking, I'm going to create something new. You can't sell it to anybody. I built a home and designed and built a home in Magnolia, Texas. It has no air conditioning that was passively cooled, and it worked.
And that's the skin venting and all that you did there?
That one didn't even have skin vent. It had no walls. It had windows with just a structure to hold it up because the windows would all open and it would all passively cooled with airflow design on the roof.
Wow.
I mean, we can go into that. I'm not going to go into all here, but you can do that, and it's been done for forever, but nobody will buy it.
When you go to sell it, they're going to say, where's the air conditioner?
Well, you have to sell it to somebody first.
Right.
You know, this lady, air conditioner made her sick, so she searched me out for a long time and finally found me, and now I hope she's still alive. I haven't talked to her in a while, but I hit my mic. Anyway, we're trying to avoid that, by the way. Anyway, it's just not a sellable thing. People want air conditioning, whether it's Florida, Houston, whatever, but more power to them. But back to the question, Florida Solar Energy Center.
And that's not just for if you're building Florida. You're building anywhere, you can get that information and find things useful.
Go online, absolutely.
Yeah,
and you can use bits and pieces. Like my uncle always said, I'm going to give you some advice. You can do what you want. You can throw it in the trash. You can take a little bit here, throw the rest of the trash, or maybe you can take it. But it's all there for you. And the Florida Solar Energy Center is a fantastic facility. Texas should have one. I tried, but it didn't work in Houston. But I got pretty close, and then they said, no, I don't think so.
We like air conditioning.
No, the college didn't like going down the different road.
Well, and we like air conditioning.
We like air conditioning.
All right.
I have air conditioning.
You like answers, right? You like help with your projects? Well, send us your questions. Send them to HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form. We'll answer them here, like these videos over there. And if you subscribe to our channel and click the bell, we'll ring yours when we post a new one.